is a DSAT Math book, Test 6, Model 2, okay? Before we start, I'm going to let you know we have some error in this book I found, okay? So I put the error list on my website. I'm going to show you, okay? Here is Dr. Chung testprep.com. When you go this, can you see that here? Best error list download. Okay, if you have the book, and also if you bought this book before July 1st, all right, July 1st. After that, it'll be no problem. July 1st, okay, you might check your book, okay? So that's the error list from the beginning, okay? The first page, apology letter. This is the correction, okay? So check it out your book. Thank you. Now we start test 6 module time. There is some selected questions today, okay? All right, try number 1. Okay, a sweet recipe requires blending bananas and yogurt. This is the bananas and yogurt y. This is y. G ounce banana, but there should be 2 to 3, right? If this is 2, this is 3. That is what the number of unit of ratio, right? 2 unit of ratio, 2 unit ratio, 3 unit ratio. Total is 5 unit ratio, okay? So over here, total amount of bananas and yogurt combined 30 ounce. 30 ounce over here. This 30 ounce, when you add these two ratio unit, that is going to be 5. So each unit has 6 ounce. So bananas is times 6 is 32 unit, right? Times 6 is 12. This times 6 is 18. All right? Okay. This is what the amount of real yogurt, okay? This is G. So 18 is the answer, okay? Or you can this way too. Maybe you can use some letter K. If banana is 2K, that is real amount, okay? And the yogurt is 3K. Total is 5K. That is equals to now 30 ounce. So K equals 6. So put this number 6 in the K, right? You can solve this way too. Here is number 4. Two cyclists, John and Sarah, racing on a straight track. That is a straight track over here. Okay. John is behind Sarah. John is here. Sarah is over here. They start right at the same time. The John speed of cycling is 12 kilometers per hour. Okay, 12 kilometers per hour. That's the speed. Sarah is 10 kilometers per hour. Okay. So at the start the race, John is 500 meters. This is 500 meters. Remember, right? This is kilometer. This is meter, right? They're different units. So here is the questions. How long will it take John to catch up to Sarah in minutes? In minutes, this can you find in minutes, okay? Or you gotta be careful, okay? How it's being asked. So every hour they catch up 2 kilometers, right? 12 minus 10 is 2 kilometers each hour. Okay, but this is 500 meters. You can use 0.5 kilometer, or you can choose this one. 2 kilometers, 2,000 meters. You can use your 2,000 meters, right, per hour. Okay, I'm going to do this here. It's better. Okay, but to travel this one, okay, 500 meters divided 2,000, okay, it takes 8 hours, okay, out. 5 over 20 or 1 pulse hour, right? 1 pulse hour. But we have to answer in minutes. Times 60, hour is 60 minutes. 1 pulse times 60 is what? 15 minutes, right? To catch up at this 500 meters, okay? All right, number 6. This is very popular with DSAT questions. The property of quadratic, okay, which is the graph is a parabola, okay. Parabola, this is a parabola. Always there is in the middle x of symmetry. So left hand side graph, right hand side graph is actually symmetry, okay, when you prove here. To the same distance, to the right, to the left, they're going to have the same height. That's the property of a parabola, okay? So this is 1/8. Where is the vertex? X is 8, y is 27. That's right. 1/3 is only a scale factor, okay? So make the graph is narrow or wider. So anyway, 8 and 27 over here. This is 8. Height is 27. The graph looks like this. Okay, they are all right above the right x-axis. So h is 13 to the right side. That is 13. They're going to have the same height at the other side, right? Using this is what? X equal 8 is x for symmetry. Okay, same distance. They're going to have the same height. So the distance from 8 to 13 is 5. The distance from 8 to this one is 5. It's going to be 3, right? That's right. When x equals 3, h over 3 is that equals what? H over 13, right? This height is h over 3. The other height is what? H of 13. Okay? All right. And move on to the next. Number 16. Okay, find the equation, the line perpendicular to the represent, the line of this one. Y equals 1 over 2x plus 3. So y-intercept is 3, slope is 1/2, looks like this. This is x, this is y, this is 3, okay? But we're going to find the line perpendicular to this. Where? When x equal 2. When x equal 2 over here. This point, perpendicular. I'm going to use different color. Yes, you're going to find this one, okay? Slope of this line is 1/2. The other slope of this one is a negative reciprocal, right? Negative 2. But pass through this point. When x is 2, what is the y? Y equals 1 over 2 times 2 and plus 3, which is 4, right? Okay, this is 2 and 4. So use point slope form. Okay, y minus y1, 4. Slope is negative 2. X minus x1 is 2. After that, you can find the equivalent to this one. Let's solve this one. Okay, y equals negative 2x plus 4, another plus 4, right? Total is 8. So choice B is that, okay? Here is number 17. In a bag containing a total of 10 marbles, of which 6 are red and 4, we have 6 red, 4 blue. What is the probability? Okay, the event looks like this. We're going to draw in 2 marbles of different colors. So we have 2 different colors, right? Red and blue. But probability, which one is first? It's different, okay? First, red and blue. Second, what is the probability? Blue. Next is red. They're different. Okay? Okay, watch the first one. If you pick up, draw the red is 6 chances out of 10. 6 out of 10. The next one times blue, right? So at this times, 5 out, okay? So now total is 9, but still blue is 4, right? So 4 over 9. That equals to 24 over 90. The other side also 24 over 90. If you got different numbers, you gotta check again, okay? And it always equal. So blue is first. 10 out of 10, 4 out of 10. So now we got 1 is out, still 9. Now still red is 6, right? When you calculate, it's still 24, isn't it? So total is what? 48 over 90. When you divide 6, 8 over 15, right? Choice C is that. So remember, okay, you have a two different order, okay? Here is number 21. Okay, the ratio of similars. I'm going to better review ratios of similars. The ratio of the length is A to B. Ratio of their area always y A squared to B squared. And their volume is y A cubed to B cubed. Always, okay, work, okay? So, box A, box B. Corresponding side always, okay? Ratio of the length is corresponding side 2 to 3. Okay? Area is what? 2 square to 3 square. Volume is 2 cube to 3 cube. This times the volume, right? It should be 8 to 27, the ratio of the volumes. Box A is what? This one is a 240. The other box is how much? So 240 times 27 over 8. Or you can use the 8 over 2040 equals to 27 is how much volume, right? You can use this one too. I like this one too, right? This is 130. 30 times 27 is 810, okay? That's the volume of box B. Here is number 22. Always discriminant. They already give, right, this discriminant one or two questions in the right test. Remember over here, okay? The value of this one, maybe you can, the value of this is y. This is a graph actually, right? For x plus k. Positive for value of x. So this is x-axis, the graph looks like this. Positive, always greater than y equals 0, right? In this case, which of the following could be the value of k? This value of k. What is that? Why this graph is what? X-axis is y equals 0. And this is y equals this one. I'm right down. They don't have any x-intercept. No intersection which is discriminant is less than 0, right? So x squared minus 4x plus k y equals 0. Okay, the discriminant b squared minus 4 times ac must be less than 0, right? Because there is no x intersections. So b is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times a is 1 there. And the c is k. Less than 0, right? So 16 less than 4k when you divide it by 4, k must be greater than 4, right? Not equal. So only 6 is greater than 4, okay? By this case, the graph of this one, there is no intersections with what y equals 0. I'm going to show you the graph over here, okay? Sometimes this decimal is exactly the same as what the regular calculator, okay? So y equals x squared and minus 4x and plus k. So you're going to do, okay? If we have a plus 0, you have a 2x intersection, right? So at this times, between 0 and 5, the value of y equals negative, okay? So increase 2, still 2 intersection, and 4 still 1 point, right? 1 intersections. So 6 is what? The graph is over the y-axis. The value of y always greater than 0, okay? That is number 22. Number 26. Okay, we have the graph of f of x. Which of the following could represent f of x? So there's a factored form you're gonna find, right? When you vector the form, you're gonna find x-intercept, okay? So one of this x-intercept, they create vector, right? So this is a negative 3 is what? First vector should be x minus minus 3 is what? X plus 3. Second one is x minus 1, right? Third one, this is 3, x minus 3. They're going to have, right, these vectors. First, we can check it out. This one is x minus 3, x minus 1. So we don't have x plus 3, right? So this is wrong. A second one is, we have x3 over here. This is, cannot be factored now. Expand this one, that is better. X squared plus 3x minus x is plus 2x minus 3. They are different, right? So that is not working. The third one is, here you can factor x minus 3 and x minus 1. This only was same factor. We don't care about this one, right? Anyway, this option C only was same as the factor of this one, okay? That's it. Or you can set up this one and choose one point. You can choose this point. Where is a point? We can use, right, any point, this point. 1, 2, 3, right? It's gonna pass through 0 and 3. We don't have to find a of it, okay? But if you wanna find the value of a, put this number 0, 3 there. Y equals 3, a, x equals 0, 3, minus 1, minus 3, right? That is 3. Okay. Anyway, this is 3 equals 3 times negative 3, negative 9, another negative positive 9a, right? From here we can find a equals 1/3, right? So this number should be positive, right? The last one on module 2, number 27. So we have isosceles trapezoid. AB equals C. These two sides are equal. What is the slope of line AB? Slope of the line AB. What is the slope of this one? You can see that, right? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the same things. But what is this coordinate? What is this coordinate? Okay. This is isosceles when you make perpendicular lines. When you make a perpendicular line, these two triangles are congruent, right? This is the same length. Okay, these two angle is the same. This is the right triangle, okay? What is that? Side angle, right? So these two triangles are congruent. What is the length of this one? 10 minus 4 is 6. This is also 6. What is the length this side? 18 minus 15 is 3, right? This is also 3. By this case, y, changing y to 6, change delta is y equals 6, delta x equals 3, right? The slope of AB is what? 6 over 3, isn't it? Six over 3 equals 2. That's the answer, okay? Okay, that's all. That's all in module 2. Okay, next time we go next test 7. Okay. Remember, many students and parents ask me, okay, what's the difference between all the way the original SAT books and this new SAT books? Actually, as I told you before, the tips is same as before, but test is different. But both questions very help, okay, to get the very good score. If you have time, try to all the test, okay? I think that's enough, okay? Okay, also next time. Thank you so much.